Vitamindrip, the International Academy of Aesthetics, and the American Association of Aesthetic Medicine and Surgery have partnered to offer a 2-day comprehensive course on IV therapy. This course is intended for practitioners with minimal to no previous experience performing IV therapy and who are looking to launch a Vitamindrip brand location. This comprehensive course combines online learning with hands-on training, where each attendee gets a real patient to conduct a consultation, administer IV therapy, and receive certification. Furthermore, this course will teach the practitioner how to create, manage, and operate a successful Vitamindrip branded location. IV therapy by Vitamindrip. Sign up today and get started.